To create our mortise, which is the square hole, we can either use something called a mortise machine, which you might have seen in another video, or we can use this thing here, which is called a mortise chisel, right? Which is the by hand. So if you're going to cut a mortise by hand, you need to use this mortise chisel. And a mortise chisel has a wooden handle that you can hit with a mallet. It's got something called a ferrule, which stops the wooden handle from splitting. And it's also got a leather washer in here, and it means because you've got to strike this chisel much harder than you would a bevel edge chisel, it acts like a little shock absorber, and it stops the handle of the chisel from splitting as you're hitting it hard with your mallet. To use my mortise chisel, I'm going to use the flat side of the chisel, and I'm just going to mark where I would like the mortise to start and where I would like the mortise to end. And that's just cutting the fibres of the wood. You don't have to go in too deep. Just going to tighten this up in my vise a little bit. And now I'm going to turn the chisel round the other way, and I'm going to move back a couple of millimetres, chisel at roughly 45 degrees. I'm going to tap in, and then I'm going to move back a couple of millimetres, tap in, and I'm working my way back along the line, taking off a little bit at a time. Making sure the chisel stays in between the two lines. And I'm going to go back this way. A little bit deeper. And I'll break these bits off. And then I'll work from the other direction. Working my way back. Use the chisel. I'm going to hit this a bit firmer now. A bit of a deeper hole. A deeper hole. To make sure that our mortise is the correct depth, I'm going to take my mortise chisel, I'm going to put it against the tenon that I want to put into the mortise, and I'm going to mark the depth using my pencil. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it at the side. I can use that to check my depth. And now that is, I know that my chisel is in the correct depth. And the mortise should fit in nicely and go in together there.